こんにちは。こんにちは。Hello. Welcome to Japan. This is our rice paddies. Hello. And then the last time thank you for inviting your followers. The last time we planted, I only did the half, and now everything is planted. So I just want to take a look how everything is growing. Hello everyone. Hello Donna. How are you? Let's take a look. This is the baby seedling for rice. Hello, hello. Hello from Sweden. Welcome to Japan. Hello Scott. How are you? You doing alright? There are many little things in these paddies. Not necessarily cute. Mostly it's a little bit creepy. See, a lot of creatures. This one too. And we find something else, and we see a lot of bugs. Sprouting, yes, sprouting. Doing good. Just wanna show you how this rice is growing, because they are growing very quickly. I'm gonna find something. What's this? Let's pick. What's this? Oh, it's a little shell. See? こんにちは。今田んぼがどうなってるか見に来ました。この水を入れてます。I need to put more water because the end of this rice paddy is drying. So these need more water. This is the regular kind of rice, not for sushi. You can have sushi, but not for mochi making. Basically, this is a kind of rice. It's not basmati. It's not like a Thai rice. It's called koshihikari. It's the kind of rice we eat in Japan. Maybe similar to what you eat when you have sushi. Do you circulate the water? Right now, I'm supposed to not to circulate. They just want to have the still water. Hamstrand. Do you eat rice sometimes? Have you planted rice before? Last year when I moved here, I helped a little bit, but I've never made my own rice paddies. This is the first time. Everybody used a machine, but I just did by hand. I don't have machine. Just wanna show you. Oh, this one. Oh, they went somewhere. I think it's called tadpole. They're gonna become frog. Where did they go? Yes, the old-fashioned way. Yes. Yes. Oh yes, you can see it over there. Tadpoles become frog. Yes, tadpoles. Looks like lots of water is needed. Yes. Recycling water. I use the water from the mountains, and then this will go back to the river, and then other people will use. for making rice, making vegetables. See, this area is very dry. These need more water. That's what my neighbor said. So I came. Yes, it's sustainable. I tried to not to use pesticide. I said I'm gonna remove the weed by hand. I tried to make it like organic, but not 100%. I already used fertilizer. Pests. I think so, but I'm not sure. This is my first time. I just learning as I do. So far, I haven't put any pesticide, and they are growing, I think, okay. Just getting bigger little by little. Hello, Philip. How are you? Good to see you again. Sorry, I cannot show you much of the surroundings because I just have a little bit of problem. I just want to be sneaky. Let's take a look at this. They are nice. So, do you keep a journal? Yes, I should, huh? I should remember when I planted and then when I did this and that. Nice to see. Yes, it's lovely. And what's this? This is what my neighbor does. I think I used to see koi fish inside, but nowadays we only see little fish from the river. It's hard to show you, and I cannot find now. Maybe some other time. Learning as you go. Yes. Oh, video journaling. I should. Huh? Sometimes I say I make a YouTube video and then I takes long time to edit. Hi, how are you? Good to see you, my friend. Scott. Okay. So, anyways, this is, I think, we planted about 1 week ago and now they are this much. I think that one is bigger than before. And then if I keep continuing, maybe scoping once a week, we can see the progress of how these are growing. Okay. The edit is worth it as YouTube video always good. Yes, I try. You're welcome. Thank you for watching, everyone. Sorry, I cannot show you much. Maybe it's not so interesting if you just keep looking at the rice paddies. But okay, bye bye everyone. Hamstrand, good to talk to you. Bye bye. Sayonara. I scope again. Bye bye. Donna, good to see you today too. I love the straight lines of the rice. Seedling. I try to make it as straight as possible by using the rope. Koi fishes next time. Yes. I think maybe they died. I'm not sure what happened. Okay, bye bye. Sayonara everyone. Have a nice day. Oh. This is not so interesting though, I think. Can maybe end with some grasses, but it's so familiar to you, I think. Okay, bye bye. Sayonara. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye, everyone. Sayonara.